Good evening everyone. Today I'll be talking about a skin problem which has disturbed the life of so many people, and that problem is fungal infection, which is also called as tinea, jock itch or ringworm. In Hindi we call it daat. Fungal infection is very common in summers and rainy seasons, but nowadays we see the infection in winters as well. Where the fungal infection starts? What are the sites where fungal infection is present? Fungal infection very commonly starts in sweaty intertriginous area where body folds are present. For example, folds in genital area, underarms, under the breast in females, in obese patient just below the pelvis. These are the common sites, and from there fungus spreads to other body parts. Now next is, there are some do's and don'ts in fungal infection for the prevention of infection and during the infection. So first we'll discuss the do's in fungal infection. First is, wash your hands frequently so that infection does not spread from place to place and person to person from your infected hands. Second is, make the body dry immediately after bath or shower. Third is, keep the skin around the genitals dry and clean. Fourth is, wash your all the clothes, beddings, towels, napkin, everything in hot water after every use. Dry your clothes outside in sunlight. Keep your nails trimmed and short. Frequently change your socks. Now next is don'ts in fungal infection. Try to avoid tight fitting clothes. Try to avoid jeans. Wear loose fitting clothes, especially cotton clothes. Don't use weight, nylon or synthetic clothes. Don't keep weight clothes in cupboards. Don't share your towels, napkins and personal usables with your friends and family members. Don't use your comb or hairbrush your family members. So these are about the don'ts. Now, once you get infected with the fungus, what should be done? First is, don't ignore the signs of fungal infection, because if you ignore, fungus spreads from place to place and to other people as well. Don't use creams from chemist shop or suggested by your friends and family members, because most of them contain a steroid which initially gives you good results, reduces your itching, subsides your infection. Once you stop the treatment, it aggravates the condition, make the condition worse. That's what you should not use steroid cream, because they don't treat the cause, they treat only the symptoms. Next is, you should consult a dermatologist as soon as you see the infection for the proper treatment and diagnosis. Now next is, what is the treatment of fungal infection? For the treatment of fungal infection, we mainly use combination treatment. In combination is a combination of tablets, creams, dusting powders and sometimes soaps. Treatment of fungal infection lasts for 6 to 12 weeks. You should not stop the treatment in between, even if itching subsides. Now next is, how to apply the cream. It's very important, you should know how to apply the cream. To apply the cream, remember the rule of 2. Now what is rule of 2? In rule of 2, remember 2 times, 2 centimeter and 2 weeks. 2 times means you should apply cream 2 times in a day. 2 centimeter means apply the cream 2 centimeter around the normal margin of infected area. 2 weeks is continue all the treatment 2 weeks even after itching has subsided. Cream should be used in a circular motion from outside to inside. Rub the cream on the lesion 20 to 25 times till the cream absorbs. Keep the area dry with napkin and sprinkle the dusting powder. So this is all about the fungal infection. For more details, you can download our app, and for consultation you can use our app. Thank you.